Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another video, people. Alright, happy Cash Out Fridays. Alright, happy Cash Out Fridays. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Hope everybody's grinding. You see the time right here. Alright, you see the time, 1:50 in the morning, people. I play no games. I'm up right now. I'm probably gonna be up until around maybe 4 or 5 a.m. I take it down. Wake up in a couple hours. Gotta go landscape. We got a lot of things to do tomorrow. Just trying to chill and enjoy the last of the summer. Alright, people, so it's free online money maker. This is what we do. We grind every single day. You see, I'm already on my backstage. Alright, on the start of this video. Just already on backstage. Diamond member, PrizeRebel is my #1 money maker. Like, every single day, we're going to get better at what we're doing. We're going to take the income and we're going to invest in different ways to earn more money online or offline. But what you want to do is invest the money to create an asset that's going to pay you every single day. Alright, so this is what we do. Alright, so people, right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to make $20 a day every single day. Alright, let me just jump into these cash outs. I think we got like a $96 cash out, something like that. Let's just jump into these cash outs real quick. And like I said, people, you're gonna have to watch my tutorials. But like I said, right now you see I have multiple sites up right now, right? But I got 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we're gonna use. We're gonna just use these 4 right here. I'm gonna have a separate video for this one. I have a separate video for this one. I'm gonna have a separate video for this one right here. I think this is my PayPal account, so I have another video. I have another one set up too. So like I said, people, every day we're grinding, kick, scratch, claw, push. Just make sure you're moving into the direction of where you want to be at. That's all you have to do on an every single day basis. Then things are gonna start to click. Then things are gonna start to come together. Then what happens is that you start getting more, like, I don't want to call it good luck, because it's not really good luck. If you continue just pushing the envelope, if you continue just pushing every single day, it's not really good luck, but you're going to find better things start happening to you. Alright, more and more and more. Seize the opportunity and let's get it, people. We're not going to be doing this forever. Alright, everything that I'm earning is 95% all my referrals. Alright, so I'm not showing you nothing crazy. This is just showing you that you can create a streaming income 100% for free. There's no excuse, alright? So it depends on your mindset, why you need it, why you're doing this, alright, what you're using it for, alright? But this is the best threshold to start when it's 100% free. Get in the door, know how to make $20 online every single day. Take that 20 and invest in yourself, alright? $600 a month, alright? But you have to grind, gotta grind, alright? Because I'm gonna jump into this quick $10 cash out real quick. And like I said, that's all I'm doing, people. Alright, that's all I'm doing. Yo, come here, PrizeRebel. You want to learn how to use PrizeRebel. Alright, now one of the biggest rules is when you first start off, you want to use somebody's link. Alright, use my link. My link's in the description. If you don't want to use my link, fine. But use somebody's link. Your account's going to run smoother. Alright, everybody that's been hitting me up, tell me their account runs smoother if they signed up under a link. Alright. So my link's in the description if you need that, just click that, start there. But never just sign up to all sites at one time. Alright? Never just go here and straight sign up to all 4 or 5 sites at the same time. The reason for that is just because you want to learn how to earn income off one site first, right? You want to learn how to make $3, $5, $7 a day off of just one site. Then you're gonna duplicate it to another one. You're gonna duplicate it to the other one. So next thing you know, you got everything rolling in your favor, right? Because you continue doing what you gotta do. So, like I said, people, it's on you. Let me see if this cash out went through. What? It went through that fast? No way. Oh, they changed it up how it looks. They changed it up. The status is usually right here. Okay, switched it up a little bit. All right, so $10, and that's just in there instantly. It usually says completed or, you know, not completed or waiting or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Okay, so like I said, PrizeRebel, #1 money maker. See my stats over here. Like I said, watch the tutorial on these videos. When you first start up, you want to just sign up to PrizeRebel only, right? And then learn how to cash out every day off of PrizeRebel. Even if you don't cash out every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, at least you're making like $2 every single day, then cash out. $2 every single day, cash out. Now you're going to start seeing that you have it easier to do on an every single day basis. So now you're going to be like, all right, let me add another site. And while you're still doing that, you're duplicating that. right? And you do it now. You know what I'm saying? So if you're making $6, now you're making $12 a day. So it's up to you to just keep adding these sites up together. Right? You want to add these sites up together. Use it as one bigger income stream that you could do whatever you need to do with. All right. So that $10 is through right here. That's PrizeRebel. OfferNation right here. OfferNation, I'm about to do a $49.99 cash out. Let's go to and one thing I really want to try too. Let me tell you guys. Hold on. I'm gonna go to your cash real quick. Change this up real quick right here. Convert points to cash. So we're gonna put 40. Since we can't, it doesn't matter. Since we can't use all of it, let's go put 40, 39, 34. Let's see if that comes up here. I put too much. Hold on. Oh, I know what I did wrong. 40, 39.34. There we go. My bad, people. Let me catch this out real quick. There we go. Alright, so $55.10. Let's go to withdraw here. Like I said, this is OfferNation, people. Like, all these sites I'm showing you, they work. They're super trustable, super reliable. I used to use like 40, 50, 60 different sites and wonder why I can't get things done. You want to use a good site that works every single day and keep doing it and duplicate it. That's it. Over time, you will be where you want to be at. All right. Your cash. Let's see here. Let's go to rewards. Why is this not working? Alright, let's just go to withdraw here. We're going to use a instant PayPal. Minimum $1, maximum is $50. So I got to come here. $55.10. Let's do like that. We'll draw the 50 right here. Let's see where we're at now. Alright. So dive into like I said, OfferNation. So like once you're doing this is why I love these sites that I use, people. I love these sites. Look, minimum is $1. So even if you used to only make $1 on each site, Rewarding Ways, SuperPay, OfferNation, or PrizeRebel, that's still you're still making $5 a day, $150 a month, just by making $1 off of 5 sites. All right, the key is to get $20 a day. That's huge, all right. But it's not about that. It's all about what you're taking the money to and investing it. If you take the money, if you take a little bit of money and invest it the right way, you're already at a good level where you don't even need to use my system no more because you got something else rolling. That's the whole thing. I just want you guys to be able to fund yourself, be able to use ads, be able to educate yourself, buy books, buy courses online, learn how to do different things. They will help you out in the long run. It will definitely help you out in the long run. All right, cash this out. I think I got the $5.10 remaining. I think that's it. Let me see where we at right here. SuperPay. Let me see. So there's a $50 cash out here. $10 cash out here. So we had $60. We're gonna just dive into SuperPay real quick. Like I said, watch my tutorials. Use these sites one by one. Watch my learn how to do surveys video. All right, like I'm really trying to help you guys on every single day basis earn extra income because I know how much it felt once I learned how to make $2 every single day. Once I learned how to make $2 every single day, my mind just straight. Like I just went crazy because I'm like, wow, I can learn how to do that, and now I can turn it into $10, $20, $30 a day. Right, so it's up to you to keep grinding. You just gotta know which way you're gonna grind and which way you're gonna, put all your effort and energy into. All right, $5.74. That's my points. Convert points to cash. 517.42. Convert to cash. All right, here. 27.29. Let's see. Let's go to rewards here. Go to withdraw cash. Copy. Just a second here. Why is it not working? What happened? Let's see. There it goes. Oh, what happened? What was that? A little glitch in the system. Oh, let me paste that in there. Let's draw this cash right here. $27.29. So 27 plus the, what was that? It's 50 here. 10 at 60. What was this again? 27? I forgot. I think it was 22. I forgot. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. So like I said, people, look. Like you see how the tsunami cash out, people. Alright, it's over $100 cash out today. So like I said, it's on a daily basis. This is what I do. I just basically just watching me work right now. You're watching me go through my cash outs. It's Friday, right? Friday night. I ain't go to sleep yet, 2 a.m. I know it's really Saturday, but to me it's still Friday. Shout out to all my peoples on the West Coast, all right? Shout out to the people on the West Coast still up, just chilling right now. So like I said, daily people, we grind like this. This is how we grind. I don't go to rewarding ways and do the same exact thing. Now the key is to get these earnings every single day. I don't want to get these earnings every single day. I don't make $8. I don't make $9 on this site every single day. Once I get to that point, that's when the whole game just explodes and everything just changes. When you're making $10, $20 off your referrals on each site that it's just deep. People, each site that's free, everything's free, and you still, like, it's crazy, all right? It's really, really crazy when you start putting things together, all right? So your cash, your points, let's convert the points to cash. 737.80. I think it's 0.80. Let's see here. It should be like $9. So yeah, $9.23. I had $11.60 that was in there. Should I take that? I'll leave $11.60. There's 11 cents. I'll leave that in there. Alright, so look, $9 cash out here. I believe it was $22 cash out, $50 cash out, $10 cash out. Alright, people, so it's free online money maker. Using 4 sites, you can make $5 a day on each site. Watch my tutorials. Alright, watch my tutorials. This is how we earn this income, people. Every single day, we earn this different income by grinding, by pushing, by scratching, by kicking, by clawing. Why? Because we're trying to get to our future. We don't know what tomorrow's like. We don't know what the when is when. We don't know what's about to happen. So let's just start really, really, really pushing towards our goals, our dreams, our visions. Never lower your target. I never lowered my target. I got everything that I wanted. It hurt because I wasn't ready for it. You know what I'm saying? So it hurt for a while. But now that I'm understanding, every day I'm getting smarter. Every month we're building. All right, you see progress. See, the reward request has been processed. All right, people. So like I said, this is how smooth and easy and quick things can be. All right, let me just refresh this page and see what it's supposed to say. Completed here. Maybe they changed it. They definitely changed it up. It's supposed to definitely say completed here, but it doesn't. All right, current balance is still 412. Once I get another 88 cents, I'm cashing out again. $5 cash out. You see what I'm saying, people? So you gotta understand that once you help people, once you help solve problems, once you can do something that is really valuable towards people, people will like gravitate and will start listening and understanding. All right, this is why I do what I do. I do it because I want everybody to be out there to be able to invest in themselves, almost like no matter what the situation is. Right, almost from wherever you at in the world. Right, I got worldwide sites, everything like that. So this is what we do. I believe it's over $100 cash out. I believe it's over $100 cash out. And it's my last bonus site right here, guys. I got for you. Slice the pie. All right, you can listen to music, people. You can listen to music. All you got to do is write a paragraph as a little answer, 5 sentences. Press enter. You get paid. All right, get paid, listen to music. I'm going to do a in-depth, detailed video on this one. And it's every single day we grind. We eat out here, people. All right, over $100 cash out. free online money maker signing out. Y'all people be safe. Have a great weekend. Y'all be better than y'all was yesterday.